जीनत जी थोड़ा मैडम थोड़ा थोड़ा
These are those ones with short barrels. And with folding this thing, look at this thing. There is Park Market, one of the weapons. Milk Park Milk.
Last time what machine है
No. Madam. These pistols are new. Those are must be rusted. These are brand new. Last time
Morning to all of you. We are here to announce a major recovery of arms and ammunition in the Rampur sector. This recovery has taken place yesterday, and I'll give you a brief insight into the circumstances that have led to this recovery. On 30th of August, that is day for yesterday, a suspicious movement was observed by our troops along the line of control in Rampur sector. Seeing the suspicious movement, requisite action was taken by the troops on ground to strengthen our surveillance posture along the line of control. And let me tell you, the area is dense forest with nalas. Thereafter, no further movement was observed in the night. On 31st morning, our search parties were launched to search the area in which this movement was observed. After an intense search that lasted about 7 hours, a huge cache of arms and ammunition was recovered from the area. The major highlights of the recovery are there are 5 AK series rifles, 6 pistols, 23 grenades, 2 radio sets, and more than 1200 rounds of ammunition. Now, this recovery highlights that Pakistan is unrelenting in its efforts to pump in arms and ammunition to support terrorism in Kashmir. Own alert troops in the area have been able to defeat this attempt, and along with this recovery, another recovery was made in Bunyar sector, in which we have recovered 2 AK series of rifles, 1 pistol, 10 grenades and 2 radio sets. So together, these recoveries constitute about 14 weapons and more than 1,300 rounds of ammunition. The modus operandi used by Pakistan to smuggle weapons into India, after being frustrated in its infiltration attempts, the modus operandi now being used is that weapons are being dumped close to the line of control. Thereafter, they task some of the OGWs, which could be residents of the villages that are in the area, which are ahead of the fence, and lure them with drugs or money to smuggle the weapons to support the terrorism. We are committed to safeguard the sanctity of line of control, and all such attempts are being defeated. Thank you. That's all.
Major General Watts, is there any input regarding for the weapon this outfit was meant for, the people who were looking for the weapon to get it and to smuggle it to the hinterland? Anything on that? Any lead? The weapon was meant for which outfit?
See, as of now, it was a weapon drop in the vicinity of line of control. Till now, as of now, we have no inputs for a specific outfit for this, which this drop was intended. I'm sure that will come out once we connect the dots.